Hi again. This is Chef Albert with Albert's White Chef. How you doing? So, I showed you some previous videos to making a strawberry smoothie, mango, carrot, celery smoothie. Now, chocolate smoothie by taking, this is found in the bakery. This is cheap. This is the cheapest you can get. This is actually made in Germany. It's a German product, and it's made for them. Remember, it has no sugar in it. Okay. And then we have semi-sweet chocolate chip. We put this in chocolate chip cookies. And take some coconut flakes. These are pretty inexpensive. And oatmeal. Okay, all this is sold at Walmart. And they're unsalted dried peanuts. You want to do that. And that's how you make a nice chocolate shake. I'm going to show you that in a bit. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching.